Hello friends, today we are comparing Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 versus Turtle Beach Stealth 500. First we discuss specifications. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Compatibility designed for Xbox and PlayStation. Wireless technology 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Driver size 50 mm. Microphone flip to mute, adjustable and high sensitivity. Controls on ear controls for volume, mic monitoring and power. Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Compatibility primarily for PlayStation, but it can be compatible with other devices with an adapter. Wireless technology 2.4 GHz wireless with a proprietary use transmitter. Driver size 50 mm. Microphone fixed omnidirectional. Controls on ear controls similar to the Stealth 600 series. Battery life Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Battery life approximately 15 to 20 hours on a full charge. Charging USB-C charging port. Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Battery life around 15 to 20 hours on a full charge. Charging typically use a micro USB port. Sound quality Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Sound profile balanced sound with an emphasis on clarity and mid-range frequencies. It often features superhuman hearing mode, which boosts critical in-game sounds. Surround sound DTS headphone 7.1 surround sound. Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Sound profile known for good clarity and bass, designed to enhance gaming immersion. Surround sound DTS headphone 7.1 surround sound. Comfort and fit Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Padding, generous memory foam, cushioning on the ear cups and headband for extended gaming session. Adjustability, adjustable headband with large ear cups designed to fit comfortably over most ear sizes. Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Padding, soft plush ear cushions and adjustable headband. Adjustability, similar adjustable headband with well padded ear cups. Active noise cancellation. Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3 does not feature active noise cancellation but offers passive noise isolation due to its design. Turtle Beach Stealth 500 does not have active noise cancellation either. It relies on passive noise isolation. Which is better? Turtle Beach Stealth 600 Generation 3. Professionalism, updated design and better build quality. USB-C charging. More recent model with improved features. Consideration limited to specific console models Xbox or PlayStation. Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Professionalism slightly more established with a reputation for durability. Compatible with more devices if you have the right adapter. Consideration older model with a micro USB charging port.